Okay guys, so we have this wonderful switch. It's a Wi-Fi
Whoa!
switch,
I can
and
see it.
this is a Wi-Fi switch,
Switch.
and this is not working, not turning on. There's nothing lights up over here. So
Oh.
I opened this up, and
Oh.
I was looking at it closely. So everything seems pretty much fine. So I will see the connectivity from the line to our
Papa,
rectifier diode,
I can
and then
be it.
you have to stay quiet. Okay, and from the line to this our rectifier diode,
That's it.
and from this phase to rectifier diode. Okay, so we will quickly measure it. All right.
I'm going to go with you.
Okay, we will see now by putting it like this. Okay, and show the meter also, Ali.
Meter.
And yes, now let's see if we have any. Okay, so we have continuity in the meter. Show the meter, Ali. The meter reading. Okay, so we have the continuity
You can hit.
in the line one and the
You
phase
can
one.
cry
Let's see
easy,
if we
breezy.
have.
You cannot hold.
Okay.
I can hold. I want to hold.
Okay.
Oh.
So we don't have connectivity over here. See? It's not coming from here to here, but let's check the other side of resistor. Oh, so other side is fine. It means this resistor is faulty. Okay? Since
Just
this resistor is
one.
faulty, so we will going to replace it, or maybe we will just put a jumper wire here to check it.
It's working.
Same way, I have a doubt for this resistor because I just noticed that this small resistor over here, this one is also not, doesn't look good. So let's check this one, continuity between
Are you
this
putting
both of these.
Ahead.
Okay. Okay, so we have continuity from here to here. So still, but what I am going to do is I will just put a jumper wire from here to here because this resistor is dead over here.
Jumper wire.
Yeah, jumper wire, and because it's just dead here because this links to this here. Okay, as I can see the circuit tracing, and similarly, if you can see. Okay, so we will just try to do something about it. Okay, now let me put a jumper wire here and here. Let me remove the circuit from this socket. Okay, so you can see here it's like this.
Yeah.
So I will use the circuit. I will put a jumper wires.
Jumper wire.
I will put a jumper wire over here, from here
Jumper
to here,
wire.
and similarly. Oh, there's also already something here.
Huh?
No.
Something here?
Oh, okay. This is just a resistor. This is long resistor. Okay, so I will put a jumper wire here and here, here and here.
Whoa! How can you do that like
Okay, let me
this?
pause the video. Let me do some work, and then I will get back to you. Alright, guys, I'm back. I just put this jumper wire here.
Whoa!
And also over here. Okay, now let's check it if it's turned on or not. We will put this insulation layer, and then we will put the socket over here by closely looking at it. Alright,
Done.
everything is in place. Let's test it.
I'm going
Okay, now I will connect the phase and neutral to the phase and neutral side of the circuit. Alright, phase and neutral,
I already see it.
and then we are going to plug it in to
Plug it
see
in.
if it's work. Oh, something shorted.
I want to
Maybe
see.
it's not working.
It is working.
Something is wrong. Wait, let's see.
You have to make it.
Okay, so seems like it's not working, but we will
going
try
hold
to.
I want to hold it. No, already.
Okay, wait a second. Let me check the wiring.
It's
Okay.
the two ends.
So the problem was this supply wire was not connected from the back side. Now since I connected it, it turned on. It is working.
Wow.
Hey,
It's working.
touch it. Yeah, good. That one. Very good. Turn it off. So we successfully repaired the power supply by replacing those
But they're not
resistors with
off.
the jumper wires. So finally we fixed it.
We fixed
All right.
it.
So this is our global
Oh, it's
switch.
sweet.
We can
Fix
see
it.
it's lighting up.
It means this. Papa, we need this.
Oh, it's a pretty simple repair. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.